This is question 13a. We are asked to simplify h squared times h raised to the power of 5. Now you have a formula, a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n is a raised to the power of n positive n. By that formula, this is going to be h raised to the power of 2 positive 5, which is h raised to the power of 7. So that's the solution for this question. Now there is question B, which says simplify 7 over x raised to the power of negative 3. Now I can rewrite this as 7 raised to the power of negative 3 over x raised to the power of negative 3. Now I can move this to the numerator. That would be 7 raised to the power of negative 3 times x raised to the power of negative exponent will become positive. Now what I want to do is I want to move this down. So this is going to be x raised to the power of 3 divided by 7 raised to the power of 3. So x raised to the power of 3, you can do nothing about it, just retain it as it is. But 7 raised to the power of 3 is nothing but 7 multiplied with 7 multiplied with 7, which is 343. So just place that value 343. So this is the solution to this question. Now you have the next question, solve a raised to the power of 8 divided by a raised to the power of p is equal to a squared. Now this can be rewritten as a raised to the power of 8. Since the division comes over here, you can place the quantity like this. This is equal to a raised to the power of 2. Now what you got to do is you cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you get a raised to the power of 8 is equal to a squared times a raised to the power of p. As I've told you, you have exponent rule. It states that if you got a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n, then you can rewrite it as a raised to the power of m positive n. By this formula, I can rewrite this as a raised to the power of 8 is equal to a raised to the power of 2 positive p. Now, there is also a formula, we know that if a raised to the power of m is equal to a raised to the power of n, if the bases are same, then the exponents must be equated or exponents must be same. Now since the bases are same, this means 8 is equal to 2 positive p, which in turn means 2 positive p is equal to 8. Move this 2 to the other side, you get p is equal to 8 minus 2, which means p is equal to 6. So that's a solution for this question.